other fun facts. Hey there! Did you know that hippos are the third longest living land mammals? They come right after elephants and white rhinos. Did you know that hippo's nose, ears, and eyes are all on the top of its head? That way the hippo can still breathe, hear, and see while it's underneath the water. Okay, maybe you knew all that. But did you know that hippos can't swim? That's right. Their bodies are too dense to float. Instead, hippos walk underwater along the riverbed or use their feet to push off it in order to move. Splash, splash. Can you swim? If you ever swim in an ocean, there's a chance you'll run into a sea turtle. Even though sea turtles seem like slow animals, they can swim up to 35 miles per hour. That's much faster than lots of other sea creatures can go, and much, much faster than any jellyfish can move. Jellyfish float with the currents of the ocean. Wouldn't that be nice to float all day long? Some jellyfish can produce light on their bodies. This is called luminescence. Jellyfish use this quality to scare off the predators since the light can startle other animals. Fireflies glow too, but they use their glow to communicate with other flies and to attract mates. They can control their glow so that it stays steady, pulses, or flashes every so often. A firefly's light comes in different colors. It can be green, yellow, or even red. Zebras don't come in lots of different colors, but their black and white stripes do help camouflage them. So predators such as lions and the stripes appear to blend into the wavy African grass. Zebras are attracted to things that are black and white striped just like they are. If you simply paint a black and white stripes on a wall, the zebra will walk toward it. Raccoons, on the other hand, are attracted to shiny objects like aluminum foil, pots, pans, and rustle. Look out for the furry animals in your garbage cans. Chipmunks are most likely to be found in the woods than in your garbage can. But did you know that all summer long they collect nuts, seeds, and berries by stuffing them in their cheeks? Then they drop off the food at their homes. When chipmunks return home to hibernate for the winter, they slowly eat all the food they can, collect their cheek pouches over the summer. Kangaroos have pouches too, but kangaroos are marsupials. This means that their pouches are used to carry their babies. As you probably know, kangaroos hop everywhere. They use their strong back legs to hop and their muscular tails for balance. If you bounce on a pogo stick, you can hop like a kangaroo too. A rabbit is another animal that hops. Rabbits may hop much more slowly than kangaroos, but the longest rabbit hop ever recorded is almost 10 feet. Rabbits can give birth up to 35 little baby bunnies per year. Some types of rabbits live as families in their underground burrows. It's nice and cozy down there. Some bats also live underground in caves. Others live above ground in trees. Bats have excellent hearing. If there is an object or an animal nearby, the bat will send out a sound that bounces off the object and then echoes back to the bat. By doing this, a bat can figure out how big the object is, how far away it is, and how fast it's traveling. While bats sleep all day, worker ants in a colony don't sleep all day or all night. Instead, they They each take about 250 naps throughout the day, each nap lasting longer than a minute. This way, many of the ants are awake at one time and can continue building the colony. Did you know that great blue heron lives in colonies as well? They mostly live along the coastlines or near ponds or streams. Herons catch fish by standing still for long periods of time. And waiting for the fish to swim by. That may sound boring to you, but herons do it to survive. Herons are 3 feet to 5 feet tall on average, whereas hummingbirds are among the smallest of the birds. They are usually only about 3 inches to 5 inches tall. They are so tiny that sometimes they look like little flying insects. Hummingbirds can hover in midair by rapidly flapping their wings 12 to 80 times per second. Blue whales are bigger than both hummingbirds and herons. They are actually the largest animals that have ever lived. Did you know that? They can grow up to 100 feet long and weigh up to 180 tons. And unlike hippos, blue whales are sure can swim.